Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to leave a private story on Snapchat. It's a simple process, so let's get started. To create a private story, go to your profile at the top left. Under a regular story, find the new private story button, tap on it, and you will be prompted to add people to your private story, those who can see your snaps. For example, let's add a specific person to the new private story. Tap on the name, and once you have added the desired individuals, tap on the Create Private Story. That's it, your private story has been set up. If you ever want to leave a private story, the process is not complicated. Unfortunately, the video script doesn't detail this specific action. However, I can provide instruction if you are interested. Simply let me know in the comments. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.